Hi everyone. 2023 Sportster S, the model that has been released has not changed much, but what is Harley-Davidson doing to welcome 2023? Will design, comfort, performance, and many others be designed as a whole? Sportster is deployed to conquer the road. Its technological sophistication is expected to dominate various tracks. Information about the original Sportster update has indeed been announced. Although this decision is difficult to upgrade optimally, Harley-Davidson has been working to fix all the problems that arise in the old model. When you drive a Harley-Davidson, you know to expect high levels of performance and HD style. The 2023 Sportster S is no exception. It's just a reinvention to continue to modernize motorcycle design. The Sportster S is designed to provide high-end performance with aggressive riding and sport bike agility. This combination leads to an exciting drive and excellent handling on any road. The 2023 Sportster S is powered by a Revolution Max 1250T engine, which delivers 121 horsepower or 90 kilowatts of power. Its engine torque is an impressive 127 Nm at 6,000 RPMs. The motorcycle uses an electronic sequential port fuel injection system to provide the performance you expect. The 2023 Sportster S is made to stand out on the road. The Sportster S features forward foot controls and a forward riding positioning for a more comfortable position while driving. The profile of the motorcycle is lowered to the ground, making it easier to mount and dismount. The Sportster S offers a style customization package called Sportster S Wild 1 package. This package offers a more rugged style, thanks to a gleaming black finish on the powertrain and control accessories. The Sportster S has a standard LED headlamp with signature position lighting for a clear look at the road ahead, even at night. Every Harley-Davidson bike is designed to keep you safe, including the Sportster S. It has several rider safety enhancements that aid you in your travels. The anti-lock brake system and traction control system help you get the traction you need when the terrain is less than ideal. The cornering enhanced anti-lock brake system and cornering enhanced traction control system aid you when turning corners. The Sportster S also has a tire pressure monitoring system included. Enhanced lift mitigation helps you get around even if the terrain is uneven. 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S key features: forward riding position, forward foot controls, low rider safety enhancements available. Riders who desire top-of-the-line performance and stunning style. Aggressive riding with sport bike agility and handling. There are 4 color options and plenty of Harley-Davidson parts and accessories you can add to show your style while on the road. Color options are vivid black, white sand pearl, brilliant billiard blue, gray haze. 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S price. Global prices will generally remain the same, but prices for each country are slightly different. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S is priced, US MSRP price, $16,399 to $16,849 US. Canada MSRP price, $19,499 to $20,099 CDN. Europe, UK MSRP price, £15,895 to £16,270, on the road incorporated 20% VAT. The price including all available color variants, which may be a price difference. 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S features and benefits. High exhaust mount. Inspired by the glory days of HD flat track racing, the pipes are crafted from corrosion-resistant 304 series stainless steel and engineered to deflect exhaust heat away from the rider's legs and tail section. Instrumentation. Everything you need to know is housed in a Bluetooth-equipped, 4-round thin-film transistor LCD display, digital gauges, indicators, ride modes, and turn-by-turn navigation with the Harley-Davidson app. All functions are accessed via buttons on the left and right-hand controls. Chassis. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S design updates through the new Revolution Max 1250T components of the chassis, eliminating the traditional frame, significantly reducing vehicle weight, and not reducing overall speed. This is performance you can feel, with the center of gravity low and the chassis super rigid. Revolutionary power and technology. A notable engine update: the legendary V-twin with the Revolution Max upgrade is a liquid-cooled powertrain with dual overhead camshafts. Variable valve timing, it offers sufficient and direct torque. The power band is tuned to maximize rider control. Revolution Max 1250T. The Revolution Max is a liquid-cooled powertrain with double overhead camshafts and variable valve timing, offering ample torque and an immediate power band tuned to maximize rider control. Rider technology. Driving with various options is fun. That's the comfort that can't be denied. Only with 3 driving modes, it's effortless to apply sports, road, and rain modes. Then enhanced cornering anti-lock braking system, CABS. What is available for the equipment if you look closely at the combined classical and modern styles? Completeness in the form of Bluetooth, a 4 inches round thin film transistor complete LCD screen, all functions are accessed via the left-hand side buttons and proper hand control. 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S specifications have improved various aspects to survive, including powertrain, exhaust, instrument, technology, and chassis. You can customize the vehicle even more beautiful as you wish. Thanks for watching.